In this case, in this video, we'll be also exploring about triple superposition, and it's also for very easy cases, and it is really easy, so you don't really have to know a lot of concepts about it. You just need to remember it. So we're still following these 4 questions, and so the first one, how to recognize this category, is basically like this. So it kind of looks like a sledgehammer, except the position of the corner isn't correct. It also have 2 adjacent color here, 2 opposite color here, and 1 correct color here. So if you see something like that, that is a triple superposition. So what we're going to do about it is, first we need to say that this is all constructed in the following way. So you will do some algorithm, either S or H, and you will turn it either through Y or Y prime, and later you will do 2 S in a row. So these 4 cases are all the same. So as you can see, there are only 4 combinations of this. So that's all the cases we involved. So I'm just going to go over it, and you can remember it as I say them. So first, you are going to start with the top color. That is easy enough. And you are going to turn to the bottom if there is only 1 top color in this side. On the other hand, if there is 2, if it forms an arrow, you will turn to the top. And so we're only left with the question of how to start. So basically this only requires a little bit memorizing. So for this case, if you saw this one pointing upward, you start with hedge slammer. Let's put it this way. So first we'll be exploring the cases that there is there is only 1 color. So if you saw a top color here, you start with sledgehammer, otherwise you start with hedge slammer. So in this case, we're going to start with hedge slammer. So on the other hand, this one, if you see something like at here, you're going to start with sledgehammer and turn it down and do 2 in a row. So similarly, for this one, if the arrow is pointing upward, you do hedge slammer and you turn to sledgehammer. So on the other hand, if it is pointing downward, you start with sledgehammer and you turn to the up. So just remember these things. So where to start? You start with the place where the top color is. And how to start? You just need to memorize these 4 cases. And how to rotate? Rotate down if it is the bold case, like this one. And rotate up if it is an arrow case, like this. And that's basically all of it. These algorithms are really useful and they're really easy. So good luck with that, and I will see you in the next video.